Hi everyone, these sums from the chapter linear equations in one variable, exercise 2.5, second problem. What number is that of which the third part exceeds the fifth part? Third part exceeds the fifth part by 4. So whatever it may be, let the number is x. Third part of the number means x by 3. Fifth part of the number x by 5. Now given the condition, x by 3 is equal to x by 5 plus 4 as per the problem. Now x by 3 is equal to x by 5 plus 4 means 4 value 4 is more than x by 3 is equal to 5 comma 1 LCM 5 same, so same numerator x, 1 5s are 5 4s are 20. Now x by 3 is equal to x plus 20 by 5. Do cross multiplication. This 5 left hand side, 3 right hand side. 5x is equal to 3 into x, 3x, 3 20s are 60. Now take this 3x is equal to this side, means all variables one side, constants one side. 5x minus 3x is equal to 60. Then 5x 3x difference 2x is equal to 60. X is equal to 60 by 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 3s are 6, remaining 0. The value of x is 30. So the required number is 30. First problem completed. Next, another one, third problem. The difference between two positive integers is 36. The difference between two positive integers is 36. The quotient when one integer is divided the other is 4. The difference of two integers, for example, assume that this is this is one integer, this one is another integer. The difference between two positive integers is 36. The quotient when one integer is divided by other is 4. Find the integers. In the problem itself given hint, if one of the integer is x, then automatically another integer is x minus 36. So let one of the integer be x, then other integer is x minus 36. When you compare these two numbers, we can easily say that x is bigger than x minus 36. So numerator by denominator is equal to 4 as per the problem. Now send this x minus 36 is equal to that side. 4 of x minus 36. 4 into x, 4x minus 36 4s are 4 6 are 24. 4 3 are 12 to 14. Now all variables one side. Send this x is equal to that side. Minus 144 is equal to this side. 4x minus x is equal to 144. 3x is equal to 144. X is equal to 144 by 3. 3 1 is 3. 3 4s are 12. 14 minus 12 remaining 2 24. 3 8s are 24. Value of x is 48. Then first integer, first one, here we assume one of the integer. One of the integer is x is equal to 48. Other integer x minus 36. 48 minus 36 12. So the two positive integers are 12 and 48. Their difference 48 minus 12, again we got 36. So our answer is correct. Now fourth problem. The numerator of a fraction is 4 less than the denominator. Whatever it may be denominator, numerator is 4 less. If 1 is added to both numerator and denominator, it becomes 1 by 2. Assume that let be the denominator of the fraction is x, then numerator is x minus 4. When you added 1 for numerator and denominator, it will be changed as half. Okay, let the denominator of the fraction be x. The numerator is 4 less than the denominator. So numerator is equal to x minus 4. When you added 1 for numerator and denominator, it's converted as 1 by 2. So plus 1 by plus 1 is equal to 1 by 2. This is as per problem. Okay. Now minus 4 plus 1 minus 3 by x plus 1 is equal to 1 by 2. Do the cross multiplication to this side. X plus 1 is equal to that side. 2 of x minus 3 is equal to 1 of x plus 1. 2 into x, 2x minus 2 3s are 6 is equal to x plus 1. Now take all variables one side. Plus x is equal to this side minus x. Minus 6 is equal to that side plus 6. 2x minus x, x is equal to 6 plus 1, 7. Numerator is equal to x minus 4, 7 minus 4, 3. Denominator x is equal to 7. Then fraction numerator 3, denominator 7. Numerator is 4 less than the denominator. 7 minus 4, we got 3. So our answer is correct. Now next to fifth problem. Find 3 consecutive numbers such that if they are divided by first consecutive number with 10, second consecutive number with 17 and third consecutive number with 26, the sum of their quotients will be 10. In the problem itself given, let the consecutive numbers is equal to x, x plus 1, x plus 2. Then first number divided by 10, second 17, third 26 gives 10. So answer, let the consecutive numbers x, x plus 1, x plus 2. The sum of the quotient when x is divided by 10, x by 10, x plus 1 is divided by 17, x plus 1 by 17, x plus 2 is divided by 26 is equal to x plus 2 by 26. These 3 quotient sum gives 10. So x by 10, x plus 1 by 17, x plus 2 by 26, their sum is equal to 10 as per the problem. 10, 17, 26 LCM. I did here. 2 5s are 10. 17 is not divisible by 2. So write as it is. 2 1 is 2, 2 3s are 6. Now 5, 13, 17 all are prime numbers. So always prime numbers LCM is their product. Always prime numbers LCM their product. 2 5s are 10. 17, 13s are 221. 221 into 10, 2210. Now 2210. Now 10 table, where will come 2210? 221s are. Okay. Now do the division. 17, 2210. It will come 130. Of x plus 1, 26. When you divided 2210 with 26, you will get 85 of x plus 2 is equal to 10. Now 221x, 130x plus 130 plus 85 into x, 85x plus 85 2s are 170 by 2210 is equal to 110. Now do the simplification, add the variables and the constants. 436x plus 300 by 2210 is equal to 10. Send this number is equal to that side. Now again send this 300 is equal to that side. 21,800. X is equal to 21,800 by 436. Do the cancellation. 4 1 is 4, 0, 4 9s are 36. 4 5 are 20, 1 is remaining. 4 4s are 16, 2, 4 5 are 20, 0. 5,450 by 105. 105 5s are 545, then remaining this 0. So the value of x is 50, x plus 1 is 51, x plus 2 is 52. Then the 3 consecutive numbers are 50, 51, 52. Now next sixth problem. In class of 40 peoples, in a sufficient class, one of the class, there are 40 students. The number of girls is 3/5 of the number of boys. If there are total 5 parts, then 3 parts are only. In a class of 40 people, the number of girls is 3/5 of the number of boys. How many boys are there? Among them 3/5 of girls. Find the number of boys in the class. Let the number of boys in the class be x. Number of girls in the class 3/5 of boys. So 3/5 into x, 3x by 5. Total peoples in the class is equal to 40. So boys x plus girls 3x by 5 is equal to 40. 5 and 1 LCM is 5. 1 5s are 5, 5 1 is 5x plus Same, so 3x is equal to 40. 5x, 3x, 8x is equal to, send this 5 is equal to that side, multiplication. Send this 8 is equal to that side, 8 1 is 8, 8 5 are 40, 5 5 are 25. So number of boys are 25. Then remaining girls, 40 minus 25, 15, or substitute this value in 3x by 5. X besides 25, 5 1 is 5, 5 5 are 25, 5 3 are 15 girls. Now next, seventh problem. After 15 years, Mary's age will be 4 times of her present age. After 15 years, 4 times for present age. Find her present age. Whatever it may be, let Mary's present age be x years. After 15 years, x plus 15, 4 times of her present age. So 4 times of her present age is equal to x plus 15. Take this x is equal to this side. 4x minus x, 3x is equal to 15. X is equal to 15 by 3. 3 1 is 3, 3 5 are 15. X is equal to 5 years. Mary's age is, now present Mary age is 5 years. Now next, eighth problem. Arvind has a kiddie bank. It is full of 1 rupee coins and 50 paise coins. There are two types of coins. One is 1 rupee coin, another one is 50 paise coin. It contains 3 times as many 50 paise coins as 1 rupee coins. Means here 50 paise coins more than 1 rupee coins. The total amount of the money in the bank is 35 rupees. How many coins of each kind are there in the bank? Let the number of 1 rupee coins be x. Amount of 1 rupee coins, 1 into x, x. Number of 50 paise coins, 3 times of 1 rupee coins, so 3 into x. 1 rupee, how many paise? 100 paise. Amount of 50 paise coins is equal to 3x, converting into rupees, 50 by 100. Okay, 0 0 get cancel, 5 1s are 5 2s are, so 3x by 2. Total amount 35. X plus 3x by 2 is equal to 35. 1 2 LCM 2. 1 2 2 1 is 2. Same, so 3x is equal to 35. 5x. Send this division 2 is equal to that side, multiplication 2. Send this 5 is equal to that side, division. 5 1 is 5. 5 7 is 35. 7 2 is 14. 1 rupee coins 14. Then 50 paise coins, 3x is equal to 3 14s are 42. If 1 rupee coins 14, then automatically 50 paise coins are 42. Okay. Now next, ninth problem. A and B together can finish a piece of work in 12 days. See, this is a new type of problem. See, if a person complete a work in n days, any one of the person complete one sufficient work in n days, then a part of work done by that man per day is equal to 1 by n. This is very, very important. For example, one of the person can complete a work in 24 days. Then how much work he can did in 1 day? Per day means 1 by 24. This is very, very important. Okay. Now A and B together can finish a piece of work in 12 days. A and B 12 days. A alone can finish the same work 20 days and asked B alone how many days needed to finish the same work. So let the number of days taken by B to finish the work be x. Number of days taken by A 20. Number of days A and B 12. A part of work A, only A can complete 20 days. So 1 day 1 by 20. A and B in 12 days, per day 1 by 12. In the same way, B can complete the same work in x days. Then how much part he can complete in 1 day? So 1 by x. A 1 by 20, B 1 by x. Both per day is equal to 1 by 12. Now take variables one side, constants one side. 1 by 20 send is equal to that side minus 1 by 20. 1 by x is equal to 12 comma 20 LCM is 60. 12 5 is 60, 5 1 is 5, 23 is 63, 1 is 3. 1 by x is equal to 5 minus 3, 2 by 60. 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6, 0 1 by 30. Per day how much he can complete? In total 30 parts, 1 part he can complete in one day. So B only can finish the same work in 30 days. Now next 10th problem. If a train runs at 40 km per hour, it reaches its destination late by 11 minutes. If train speed is 40 km, then a train will reach the station 11 minutes late. But in another case, train runs 50 km per hour, it will be late by only 5 minutes. Find the distance to cover by the train. Let the distance covered by the train be x kilometer. Time delay, if speed 40 km 11 minutes. Time delay, if speed is 50 km per hour 5 minutes. Time difference 6 minutes. 6 minutes per hour. Okay. Now 40-50 kilometers 10. 1 by 10. These both are same. Actually ST, these two are consecutive alphabetical letters. So this is the one idea to remember the formula. Distance is equal to speed into time. Alphabetical consecutive ST. Distance is equal to speed into time. Speed is equal to distance by time. Time is equal to distance by speed. Okay. Now x by 40 minus x by 50 is equal to 1 by 10. 40, 50 LCM 200. 45 is 5x. 54 is 4x is equal to 1 by 10. 5x, 4x, x by 200 is equal to 1 by 10. Do the cross multiplication. R send 200 is equal to that side. X is equal to 1 by 10 into 200. 0, 0 get cancel. X is equal to 20. So distance x is equal to 20 kilometers. Now next 11th problem. 1/4 of a herd of deer has gone to the forest. For example, there are 20 deers. 1/4 means half. 10 half 5. 1/4 of herd of deer has gone to the forest. 5 deers went to the forest. 1/3 of the deer total number is grazing in the field. Here dividing as fractions parts. 1/4 gone to the forest, 1/3 grazing in the field, and remaining 15 drinking water on the bank of river. Find the total number of deer. How like given in the problem, same as it is, I copied as a answer. Let the total number of deers in the herd be is equal to x. Okay. Next, 1/4 of the herd is in the forest. So 1/4 means x by 4. 1/3 of in the field means x by 3. Number of drinking water 15. X by 4, x by 3, 15. Total are x. Now take all variables one side. X by 4 plus x by 3 plus 15 is equal to x. Plus x is equal to this side plus 15 is equal to that side. 4 comma 3 LCM 12. 4 3s are 12. 3 4s are 12. 4 1 12s are 12. 12 is equal to minus 15. Send this 12 is equal to that side. 4x, 3x, 7x. 7x minus 12x is equal to minus 15 into 12. The difference of these two numbers minus 5x is equal to minus 15 into 12. Send this minus 5 is equal to that side. Doing multiplication is equal to that side. Division 5 1 is 5 3s are 12 3s are 36. The total number of deer in the herd is 36. Okay. Now next 12th problem. By selling a radio for 903 rupees, a shopkeeper gains 5%. Find the cost price of the radio. With the direct, we can solve this using the formula. Otherwise, using the percentage also, we can solve this type of formulas. These types of problems. Let the cost price of radio be x. Selling price 903 rupees. Gain percentage is equal to 5%. Cost price when given the gain 100 by 100 plus g into selling price formula. Cost price is equal to 100 by 100 plus g means 5 into 903. 100 by 105 into 903. Now cancellation. 5 2s are 10. 5 1 is 5. 5 2s are 10. 0. 7 3 are 21. 7 1 is 7. 2 remaining. 7 2 are 14. 6 remaining. 63. 7 9s are 63. 3 1 is 3. 3 4s are 12. 3 3s are 9. 43 into 20. 0, 2 3 are 6, 2 4 are 8. Cost price of radio is 860 rupees. Now last problem, 13th problem. Shekhar gives a quarter of his sweets. Quarter means 1/4 to Renu. First to Renu. And then gives to 5 sweets to Raji. First to 1/4, then 5 sweets. And he has 7 sweets left. How many did he have to start with? Let the number of sweets with Shekhar has at first is equal to x. Number of sweets given to Renu 1/4 quarter x by 4. Number of sweets given to Raji 5. Left to sweets 7. 1/4 given to Renu, 5 given to Raji, left to 7. Total is equal to x. 5 plus 7 12. All variables one side, constants one side. X by 4 minus x by 1. 1 comma 4 LCM 4. 4 4 same, so write as x. Minus 1 4s are 4. 4 1 is 4x is equal to minus 12. Minus 4x x minus 3x is equal to minus 12 into 4. Send this 4 is equal to that side. Okay, doing here division is equal to that side multiplication. 4x x minus 3x. Send this minus 3 is equal to that side division 3. 3 1 is 3, 3 4 are 12, minus minus get cancel. Now remaining 4 into 4. The value of x is equal to 4 4s are 16. The number of sweets that Shekhar had at the start with his equal to 16 sweets. I hope you understood all solutions. Thank you so much to listen my whole video. Please subscribe my channel and share to your friends and family members.